Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 5 of English Reader, that is, the name of the book is Open Sky, and the chapter name is The Dancing Princesses, that is in plural. Okay student, what would be the masculine gender of princess? Prince. Okay, and that is given in the plural, that is Dancing Princess. This is the story of a 7 princess. Okay students, just open your book. It is given at the page number 42. Just see the Dancing Princess. First of all, we will read the Warm Yourself Up, which is given at the page number 42. Just open your book. The princesses love to dance with their prince. Here in this story there are 7 princesses and they love to dance with their princess. Okay, that is why they would go tonight through the secret door to meet their princess. Therefore, that's why for dancing purpose they used to visit in the night, where from the secret door to meet the princess and dance throughout the night, and they also dance throughout the night there with their prince. The curiosity of the king about the worn out shoe means torn out shoe, फटा हुआ जूता. ठीक है, उन लोगों की क्या थी? The curiosity of the king about the worn out shoes made him know where exactly his daughters were going at night, and no one knows that where the daughters of the king go every day in the night. And in the morning everyone found that the shoes of that princesses are worn out. Okay, so just see here the story. Read the story to understand the details. Now we will read the story, then we could understand the things what is given in this story. Okay students, so just see. Once there lived a king who had 7 beautiful daughters. Once upon a time there was a king who had 7 beautiful daughters. Those princesses used to sleep in the large room, and those princesses used to sleep in a large room. And once upon a time there was a king who has 7 daughters, and these 7 daughters used to sleep in a large room. And every night after the princesses entered the room, and every night after the princesses entered in the room, the king used to lock the door from outside. And when they entered in their room, and the king locked the door from the outside, because the king was thinking that every night the daughters of the king used to visit anywhere. Just see. Every night after the princesses entered the room, the king used to lock the door from the outside, and the king used to lock the door from the outside so that the daughters of the king could not go from anywhere in the night. But every morning when he would open the door, what he found? He used to see the worn out shoes of his daughters. Every morning. Although he used to lock the door from outside, but in the morning when he reached there in the room, he found that the shoes of the daughters were worn out. Nobody could find out what happened at the night, and nobody find out the reason. What was the reason behind that? The shoes of the daughters were worn out in the night. Okay, students, so in this paragraph it is given that there was a king who had 7 daughters, and when these daughters, 7 daughters, enter in the room in the night to sleep, the king used to lock the door from outside so that the girls, the daughters of him, could not go away in the night. Okay, but what happened? Whenever he used to visit in the morning in the room of the girls, he found that worn out shoes. Every morning when he would open the door, he used to see the worn out shoes of the daughters, worn out shoes of his daughters. He found that there were again worn out shoes of the daughters. And nobody could find out what happened at that night. And nobody found that what happened in the night, so that the shoes of king's daughter were not. Okay? Come to the next paragraph. The king was very much disturbed. With this matter, the king was very much disturbed. That what is the reason behind it? Why the shoes of his daughters worn out every night? This was very strange. This was very strange. Strange means unusual. This was very strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Strange means unusual. Unusual. Sorry, spelling is wrong. Unusual. Okay, that is correct. Unusual. We will check the spelling. Yes. Unusual. Strange means unusual. Just see. It is given here. This was very strange. Where do my daughters go at night? And he was very much confused. He was in dilemma. He was very much disturbed with this matter, that where do his daughter goes? Where do his daughter go in the night? Where do my daughters go at night, and what do they do? And what do they do in the night? Said the king to himself. The king said to himself that what happened with these shoes? Every morning he found that the shoes of the daughters were worn out. What is the reason behind it? He was very much disturbed with this matter. Where do the daughters go in the night? And what do they do in the night so that the shoes of the daughters worn out every day? Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. Just see. The next day, the king sent out a notice saying that everyone who could find out the secret could choose a princess for himself. And just see, next day, what happened? The king sent a notice. The king sent a notice saying that anyone who could find out the secret. The king sent a notice that anyone who could find out the secret of the worn out shoes, what will he do? Choose a princess for himself. Choose a princess for himself. He spread the notice. What he spread the notice? In the notice he said that anyone who could find out the reason behind the worn out shoes in the night, then that person could choose a princess for himself. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. The next day, a prince came to try his luck. Next day, when the notice was spread throughout the country, a prince came to try his luck. The servants took him to the room which was very close to the room where the princesses slept. And now just see, the next day a prince came to try his luck, and the servant took him to the room where which was very close to the room where the princesses slept. Okay, the servant took the prince to near the room where it was very close. The room was very close to the princesses. Okay, but before the princesses went to bed, the bed to sleep, the prince was fast asleep on his bed. The prince was fast asleep on his bed. The prince has slept. Now turn the page, student. Come to the page number 43. The prince could not say anything in the morning when he saw those worn out shoes. He could not able to say anything. He couldn't say anything when he saw that the worn out shoes again in the morning. He couldn't give the answer to the king. What was the reason behind the worn out shoes? What do the daughters of the king do in the night? Okay, students, the prince could not say anything in the morning when he saw those worn out shoes. The king asked the prince to leave the palace. And the king asked the prince to leave the palace. Okay? The king asked the prince to leave the palace because he couldn't succeed in his mission. Therefore, the king asked him to leave the palace. Okay, student? So just see here. The king asked the prince to leave the palace in the morning. Many others too came to try their luck, but they all failed. And many people also came next day, but they also failed. They couldn't succeed to find out the reason behind the worn out shoes. Why do the shoes worn? Why it is torn every day? Okay, just see. Many others too came to try their luck, but they all failed. Everyone had failed. No one gave the correct reason for worn out shoes. Okay, no one knows the reason behind it. No one knows where do the daughters go every night, and what do they do in the night so that their shoes worn out. Okay, students? So just see. Come to the next paragraph. A few days later. Okay, students, just see. A few days later. What happened there? A few days later. What happened? A few days later, a soldier wanted to find out the secret. And a few days later, this message reached to a soldier. And he wanted to find out the secret behind it. And as he was going to the palace. He met with whom? He met with an old woman. And she said, that old woman said, what she said? She said, I know that you are going to try your luck in the palace. And the old woman says that she knows that the soldiers was going to try his luck in the palace. And then I want to help you. The old lady says that she wanted to help him. In which way? Come to the next paragraph. Just see. The soldiers was very happy when he heard this. And the soldiers were very happy. He was very happy when the old lady says that she wanted to help him. And now she is very happy. The soldiers is very happy. Then she said, don't drink anything. She advised, the old woman advised. What she advised? She advised, don't drink anything that the princesses give. And first thing, that you will not take any liquor, you will not drink anything that the princesses will give you, that the princesses will give him. And another thing, here is your magic clock. Here is your magic clock. Dear student, clock, not clock. C-L-O-A-K. That is means royal clocks. It is a kind of loose garments. Okay, not watch. It is in the picture, it is given watch, but that is wrong picture. That is not correct. Okay, cloak means a loose garment, a royal garments. Okay, it is given here, meaning you can see cloak, a loose outer garments. You see, cloak means a loose outer garment, a loose outer garments. Okay, students, just see. The king asked the prince to leave the palace in the morning. Where was I? Yes. Here is your magic clock, and the old woman also gave him a magic clock, and she also advised him not to drink anything if the princesses will give him. Okay, when you put this on, and she also said that when you put this on, when you will put this cloth, this loose garment, what will happen that, you see, when you will put this on, nobody can see you, nobody can see you. When you will put this cloth, nobody can see you. That is magical cloth. Okay, that is magical cloth. Okay, after wearing this cloth, this garment, nobody could see him. Just see, here is your magic cloth. When you put this on, and when you will put this on, and what will happen? Nobody can see you. Nobody can see you with this, with the help of this cloth. And with the help of this cloth, you can follow the princesses. You can follow the princesses. You can follow the princesses. Where do they go? Okay? Good luck. She also wished him good luck. Okay, students? So, come to the next paragraph. I hope that you all have understood the things. If you have any kind of problem, you can ask. Just see. The soldiers thanked the old woman and went to the palace. And the soldiers also give thankfulness to the old lady and went away to the palace. The servant in the palace took him to the same room where the other princes also had slept. And now, when he went to the palace, the servant in the palace took him to the place where the other people also already went there. Okay? Where the other princes also had slept. Now, the eldest princess came and gave him a glass of wine. And the eldest princess came and gave him a glass of wine to drink, to take. The soldiers remembered what the old woman has said. And now the soldiers remembered what the old woman has told. What she has told? She has told that not to take anything, not to drink anything if anyone will give him then. Okay? Just see. The soldiers remembered what the old woman has said. He pretended. Pretended means acted as if. Natak karna. Okay? He pretended to drink. It means he pretended. The soldiers pretended to drink, but he did not drink. He pretended to drink, but he did not drink. He pretended to drink the wine and fall asleep. He was just acting. He was just pretending to sleep. After a little while, he began to snore. And after After few minutes, he began to snore. Snore means it is a kind of sound. When some people, when they sleep, there is a sound. Some sounds came out from the nose. Just see, make sound while asleep. Snore means make sound while asleep. Make sound while asleep. Okay? Just see, student. And after a little, he began to snore. And when he started snoring, the princesses were thinking that he has slept. But he was not sleeping. He was just pretending, because the old lady already advised him not to sleep, not to drink anything. And she has also given the magical cloth. That is cloth. Okay? Come to the next paragraph, student. When the princesses heard this, when the princesses heard the snoring of that soldiers, they put on their best dresses. They put on their best dresses and were ready to go. Now they were ready to go in the night. The eldest princess tapped her bed. Tapped means touched her bed. Pushed the bed. What happened? The door opened in the floor. When he pushed the bed, the door opened to the floor. It means यानी कि उस फ्लोर पे क्या हुआ था? डोर बना था. Secret door. Just see. The eldest princess tapped her bed and door opened in the floor. There was a staircase, and there was a staircase. Also, there was a staircase leading to a room under the floor. Leading to a room under the floor. Okay? That was the secret way. There was a staircase leading to the room under the floor. One by one, the princesses got down through the staircase. And one by one, all the princesses, 7 princesses, got down. And now, what happened? The soldiers also put his cloth. And the soldiers also put his cloth. After wearing this cloth, no one can see him. And he also wear that cloth. And what he did? The soldiers also put on his cloth and followed him. And he also followed him. He also followed the princesses. Okay, students? So, in this way, we have read the page number 42 and 43. In the next class, we will discuss the 44 and other exercises given in the chapter. Okay, students? You will read this chapter. And if you find any kind of difficult word, if any problem occurs, you can ask on WhatsApp. And your homework is to complete the word meaning. Your homework is write and learn the word meaning. Write and learn the word meaning of chapter 5. Okay, students? If you find any kind of difficulties, you can ask. That's all for today. Thank you.